We're going to find out where Santa Claus is at, aren't we, Alyssa? Click on this link. Find out where Santa Claus is at. Okay, here we go. Uh-oh.
What?
Look where he's at.
What? Where? Where is he?
He's down south.
That means we have to stuck in the bed.
You're right there, yeah. He's getting close, isn't he? Where's he at? Oh, we lost him. There he is. He's getting closer. He's
Yeah, but he's got the reindeer, so I know he's moving.
Yeah.
But why is he moving on the picture?
He is moving on the picture. See, he's got 13 minutes and 20 seconds to go to his next stop, which is probably over here. And then after that, he's probably going to come straight up to us. You think that's what's going to happen? I think we better get ready for bed so we can meet Santa Claus. We don't want to be awake when he comes. Okay.
That will break the law.
Yeah.